Welcome to Top Product Picks. The best Yeti Tumbler Straw is probably one of the most essential accessories for anyone who loves to keep their drinks perfectly chilled or piping hot throughout the day, especially when they're on the go. This isn't just any straw, it's designed to fit your Yeti tumbler like a glove, ensuring a spill-free experience and optimal sipping. Whether you're tackling a long commute, hitting the gym, or simply enjoying a day outdoors, having the right straw can make all the difference in your hydration routine, preventing those annoying drips and ensuring you get every last drop of your favorite beverage. Number 5. Yeti Tumbler Replacement Lids, 30-ounce pack of 2. Enhance your tumbler with our lids, and don't forget to explore our complimentary rings for a perfect match. Click the brand below the title to see more. These lids are designed to fit your 30-ounce tumblers perfectly. They are compatible with YTI, Hydro Flask, and many other popular brands, ensuring a secure fit for your favorite mug. Imagine a drive to work with your favorite hot beverage and a sharp turn. With our lids, there are no spills, no mess, just pure satisfaction. Enjoy a leak-free experience on every adventure. Tired of cleaning difficulties? Effortlessly remove the slider from the lid for thorough cleaning. This ensures no buildup and a refreshingly clean drinking experience every time. With a 3.7-inch diameter, these lids offer a precise fit for your tumblers. They create a secure seal, shielding your drink from unexpected spills and providing peace of mind. What we like? This pack of 2 offers excellent value and ensures you always have a spare. Its spill-proof design is perfect for busy commuters or anyone prone to accidental spills. If you're looking for a reliable, easy-to-clean lid that prevents messes, this is a great choice for your daily travels. What people say? The lids have one key difference from all the others out there: the closure slides. No more pushing the flip top against my nose. And the best part is that the closure gets tighter as you slide it closed. This simple, but smart, design feature ensures the lid is as close to 100% spill-proof as you can get. Outstanding lid for my Yeti Rambler and Green Steel Beast 20 ounces tumblers. Slider mechanism, don't care for flip-type lids. Ingenious silicone sealing design. Lid fit is a little less tight than the stock lids for both my tumblers. I don't have to wrestle to take it off. I am using this lid on my 30-ounce Yeti Rambler and it has an amazing seal. So good, you gotta open the mouthpiece before putting it on. Can turn a full cup upside down with no leaks. Kept cold fridge water, no ice, cold for hours in a hot car. Highly recommend. Quality product. Number 4. Velaco Silicone Straw Covers for Stanley Tumblers. These silicone caps are designed for a perfect fit with your Stanley tumblers, including the 40 ounces and 30-ounce models with handles. They also fit other large-diameter straws, so confirm your size before buying. Crafted from food-grade silicone, these covers are built to last. They are reusable, easy to clean, and safe for your health, making them a great choice for everyday use. Keep your drinks clean and safe from dust and splashes. These covers create a secure seal, perfect for any adventure, whether you're indoors or out. Add a touch of style to your tumbler. These cute toppers not only look great but also effectively prevent unwanted particles from entering your drink. Their small and portable design makes them easy to take anywhere. Enjoy your beverages on the go, during walks, camping trips, or hikes without worry. We are committed to providing you with excellent service. If you have any questions, please reach out to us, and we'll resolve them within 24 hours. Please note, straws are not included. What we like? These silicone covers are a fantastic way to keep your straws clean and dust-free, especially when you're on the go. If you enjoy outdoor activities like hiking or camping, or simply want to ensure your drink stays free of debris, these cute and practical toppers are ideal. What people say? These worked great over 2 different size straws that I had. They're made for the larger straws, but they also fit my smaller straw, so I am very happy with them. They are a thicker material that doesn't easily tear. They fit on my straw perfectly and come in so many colors and designs. I really think it makes my water taste better, and more fun to drink. Summertime brings the bugs in Northwest Florida and flies love to get into drinks, only to be sipped up later by unsuspecting victims. Yuck. I got these because they closely matched the straws I got earlier and they are a perfect fit. They allow me to change the colors for a splash of fun. They are very stable on the end of the straw and fit my needs perfectly. Number 3. Premium reusable silicone straws for Stanley 40-ounce tumbler. Introducing our premium reusable silicone straws, designed to perfectly fit your 40-ounce tumbler. Enjoy a superior drinking experience with these extra long and wide replacements. These top-rated straws are lab-tested and FDA and RoHS certified for your safety. They are made from BPA-free, flexible silicone, ensuring quality for you and your family. Specifically engineered for your Stanley tumblers and other popular brands like Yeti and Simple Modern. Their extra wide and long design ensures a perfect fit every time. Safe for all ages, these soft silicone straws are gentle on teeth and incredibly durable. Unlike metal straws, they remain at a comfortable temperature, whether your drink is hot or cold. Cleaning is a breeze with the included patent-pending squeegee tool. Plus, they are completely dishwasher safe, with a temperature resistance from -40 to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. These straws are compatible with 40-ounce tumblers from Stanley, Yeti, and more. You can even trim them down to fit smaller 20 and 30-ounce tumblers for ultimate versatility. What we like? These premium silicone straws are designed to be extra wide and long, making them perfect for those thick smoothies or extra tall tumblers. If you dislike metal straws getting too hot or cold, or if you need a soft, teeth-friendly option, these are a superb choice for a comfortable sipping experience. What people say? They're wider than most, so you get more of your drink for less effort. Easy cleaning, quality material, thick, cute colors, fits well in my knockoff 40-ounce water bottle. Comfortable to drink out of. Great size for 40-ounce drink tumblers, like the flexibility, easy to clean with tool provided. The 10.5-inch has a stopper at the bottom which mostly keeps the straw from being completely pulled out of my cups. Number 2. 6-pack straws for Yeti 35-ounce tumbler. Enjoy every last drop with these straws, precisely engineered to fit your Yeti 35-ounce tumbler lids. They reach the bottom perfectly, ideal for use at the office, in the car, or at the gym. This complete 6-pack comes with a bonus cleaning brush, offering a great value. Keep them handy for various drinks and daily hydration needs, with spares for everyone. Cleaning is a breeze as these are top-rack dishwasher safe. The included brush ensures a thorough clean, even for thick drinks, making them hygienic and hassle-free. Made from premium, food-grade tritan, these are as clear and durable as the originals. They are BPA-free, odorless, and leave no plastic aftertaste, ensuring safe sipping. Designed for a secure fit with your tumbler lid, these straws stay firmly in place. You can focus on your activities without any interruptions from flimsy, popping straws. What we like? This 6-pack of hard plastic tritan straws offers a precise fit for specific Yeti tumblers, ensuring they stay securely in place. If you prefer a rigid straw that won't collapse and want the convenience of having multiple spares for the gym, office, or travel, this is an excellent value proposition. What people say? Fits cup perfectly. They weren't quite as thick as the one that came with the Yeti cup but fits the same in multiple straws. It's definitely worth purchasing. These actually work very well with my Yeti. They are incredibly durable. I can clean them. I was so confused on what to buy until I found these straws and I measured. Buy them and don't look anywhere else. They are incredibly durable. They feel the same. They are incredibly inexpensive at a great price point and I already did your shopping for you. Thank me later and put them in your cart. If you are replacing all straws for a Yeti that has a built-in straw holder, these fit perfectly and were made for your tumbler. Number 1. 30-ounce flip straw lid for Yeti tumblers, 2-pack. This lid is designed to be the perfect match for your Yeti 30-32-ounce tumblers and 26-35 42-ounce straw mugs. It also fits Hydro Flask 32 40-ounce travel tumblers, ensuring a versatile fit for your favorite drinkware. Enjoy your beverages on the go without any worries. This replacement lid provides an extra layer of protection, keeping your drinks securely sealed and preventing spills. Crafted from high-quality, shatterproof, and BPA-free material, it ensures your drink remains safe to consume. The crystal-clear design lets you easily see when it's time for a refill. Featuring a sturdy double seal and a smooth flip-top straw, this lid offers a secure fit. It helps maintain your drink's temperature, keeping it hot or cold for longer enjoyment. Save money with these cost-effective replacement lids that come with innovative features. We are here to help if you have any questions about your order. What we like? This flip straw lid provides a convenient and secure way to drink from your tumbler, with a design that's both shatterproof and easy to monitor your drink level. If you're looking for a durable, clear lid with a smooth flip-top mechanism for easy access and a secure seal, This option is a stylish and practical upgrade. What people say. Fits perfect, no leaks. Works great. Stops any leaks. This just works with my Yeti tumbler. So much better than that so-called straw that comes with it. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.